Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Kasa Smart Plug is offline, if it is not responding or refusing to connect to the Wi-Fi, this video is going to walk you through the best troubleshooting fixes and the reset methods to get it working again in 2026. So first of all, you need to identify whether you need a soft reset or a factory reset. So a soft reset, something that connects or reconnects the plug to the Wi-Fi without deleting the schedules, the automations. While if you talk about the factory reset, it is going to completely wipe the device and start fresh. So TP-Link officially recommends using a soft reset first when reconnecting to a different Wi-Fi network. So in order to perform the soft reset, you just have to simply take a look at this particular power button. It is also the reset button. So you need to simply press and hold this button for at least 5 seconds until the LED light starts blinking amber or green. For full reset, you just have to keep holding it further for at least 10 to 15 seconds until the LED start flashing rapidly. Now, even after doing either the soft reset or a hard reset, the issue still persists, or if it still doesn't connect, you can just simply verify your phone whether it is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network during the setup. Now, after doing so, you need to also open the Kasa Smart application, and then you need to simply remove or delete your device from the application. Then you just have to tap on the plus icon on the home page, choose your smart plug and follow further instructions in order to set it up again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.